This AcuRite Iris Pro Plus weather sensor gives you a full picture of backyard conditions by tracking temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and rainfall in one compact unit. The dual solar panels power an internal fan that keeps air moving across the temperature sensor, which noticeably improves the accuracy of ambient readings on sunny days. Wireless transmission every few dozen seconds and a range of roughly 330 feet make it reliable for placing the sensor well away from buildings or heat sources. When paired with a compatible indoor display or AcuRite online access, you can conveniently check local conditions from inside your home or while you are away. The sensor housing is thoughtfully designed with included mounting hardware, so installation on a pole or post is straightforward even for first-time weather station owners. Long battery life and generally low maintenance needs make this sensor a solid choice for people who want dependable, continuous weather monitoring without frequent tinkering.